right, guys, so what are we gonna do with these items, guys? We have some penne pasta. We're only going to use what we have in the house. So we have some penne pasta from Walmart. We have a can of tomato soup. I have some heavy cream, so I can use that. We have an onion, and here is a huge chicken cutlet. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and start washing this cutlet, cut off all this fat, and cube it. And yeah, I'm kind of thinking as I go. So let's start out with doing that. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. I'm not sure this is going to be quick and easy, but it's Quick and Easy Meals, and it doesn't matter what it is you bring to Quick and Easy Meals. You can go out to eat, you can grill, your dinner or whatever dish you're making can take lots of time, can take a short amount of time. We try to make quick and easy meals. Doesn't always work out that way, guys. So whatever you have, bring it. Even if you're going out to eat, you can also show that. Yeah, so I'm like really excited about how this is gonna turn out. Who's hosting Quick and Easy Meals? We have Jean Home Decor and more. We have myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle. We have my Mountain Home and Kitchen, and Jennifer at Home. So if I've forgotten anybody, we definitely don't want to forget anybody. But if I did, I'm going to go ahead and link that person down in the description box, and make sure and watch the playlist, guys. So let's get started. Let's start out with cleaning the chicken and cubing the chicken, and I'll be back. Okay, so here I have the cubed chicken. Make sure, guys, and wash your hands before, during, after, anytime you stop when you're working with any kind of poultry. I cleaned the chicken. I cleaned the chicken, cubed it, and kept washing my hands, guys, back and forth, because you don't want to spread any germs or anything. Okay, so, but what I also have over here is I have a pot of broth. Now, I use the Knorr. Let me show you what I use. I start out with the Knorr chicken bouillon powder, okay? So I started out with this. Now, we are gonna add a little bit of salt. Okay, now the holes on these glass jars that I got from the Dollar Tree are pretty small. So I'm gonna add some pepper. So if you see me shaking a lot, there's really not that much coming out. We are gonna be using some Italian seasoning. I just wanna get it started. And probably better if I just take some of that out. Okay. All right, so, and then we're gonna put some garlic, okay? Some garlic. I love garlic, so I would say that's a tablespoon of garlic. And we're just gonna kind of start it with that. I'm not gonna do anything else. I'm gonna go ahead and place the chicken in there, because the idea is to get the chicken as tender as possible, okay? I'm gonna go and wash this, and then I'm gonna start peeling this onion so we can put that in the broth as well, okay? Okay. So instead of dicing, remove that knife, instead of dicing the onions like in little tiny pieces, I wanted them as rounds, okay? You can cut them any way, which way you want. I just want to be able to pick up the onion. But I also wanted to put plenty of onion to flavor this broth. So this is going to be cooking here for a while. I'm going to go ahead and start another pot so that we can go ahead and boil the penne pasta. So that's next. Okay, so water's boiling. I put a dash of salt in the water right before it started to simmer. Now we're just going to cook the whole box of pasta, which is what? 16 ounces, 1 pound. I'm just going to go ahead and do the whole thing. And So this will boil for about 10 minutes. I'll check it in about 10 minutes, guys. As soon as this is done, I'll go ahead and strain it, and then we'll go back to the sauce. Okay, so here we are. I still have the sauce cooking here. All right, just trying to soften the chicken. So this is taking a little bit longer than I was anticipating, but you know what? It's gonna come out amazing, guys. So I'm just cracking that a little bit. The pasta's already done, and now I'm gonna put you on the stand so that I can show you what I'm gonna put together with that tomato soup. Okay, so I have some heavy cream here. We are going to add a cup of heavy cream. Okay. And all right, so close this. Then we're going to add the tomato soup. You can add whatever kind of tomato soup you like, guys. This is just what we're cooking with stuff that I already have in the cabinet. Okay, so we're gonna pour the whole can of the tomato soup. I know this is gonna come out amazing. I'm also gonna be adding some butter to this, but we'll do that closer to the time that the chicken is done. All right, so I am gonna put a dash of salt, dash of pepper, and I'm gonna do some Italian seasoning and some garlic. And we love garlic, so we're gonna be generous with that. You guys can add whatever seasoning that you guys like. And so doesn't that look amazing, guys? Alright, so I'm gonna mix this together. I'm gonna go ahead and melt the butter, and then we'll add the butter. I'm gonna add the butter to the pasta, guys, while we're waiting for the chicken to do what the chicken is supposed to do and get nice and soft. So we'll be right back. Okay, so butter's already melted. So I did a quarter of butter, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that in there with the pasta. The chicken is almost done. The sauce over here is almost done. I think this is gonna come together so nice. Okay, so the butter is already in the noodles. Okay, so this is gonna be amazing, guys. All right, so now this is the chicken simmering, and I think we're good, and we're also keeping the broth. So what am I doing? I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to pour this right into the pot. Okay. I'm so excited over how this is gonna come out. So that chicken should be nice and soft. And see how we just have enough broth, because remember, the pasta is gonna absorb a lot of this. So I don't think I have too much, but now we're gonna go ahead and let me put this here. Okay, so now that we made the thick sauce, guys, And I didn't think this was gonna come out as amazing as it's gonna come out, guys. I tasted the chicken, I tasted the sauce. Okay. So now we are going to mix this. Then we're gonna leave it sit for, I'm gonna leave it sit for like, wow, this looks so amazing. I'm gonna put this back on the burner, guys, until I see it get nice and thick. And then we're gonna go ahead and serve it up. So we're gonna let these noodles rest and absorb this sauce here. And I'm so excited to try it. Okay, so I have this simmering. Look how absolutely delicious this looks, nice and creamy. And so I'm just gonna let it simmer for I'm gonna let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna leave it rest 10 minutes, and then we're gonna head on over to the review. I'm so excited. I didn't realize how hungry I was, guys, and you won't believe how absolutely amazing this sauce is tasting. All right, so I'll see you in a few. Okay, so I needed you guys to see how absolutely amazing, look at this, nice and creamy. So it looked like it was a little bit too much of the liquid. And then when I mixed everything, I knew it needed to simmer for 10 minutes and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. And here we are, it's nice and creamy. Look at that, nice and creamy. And I tasted it already, it is amazing. So I'm gonna serve this on the plate, and we're gonna head on over, to the reveal. Okay, so this is the reveal, guys. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? Well, see, I didn't have to go shopping, used whatever I had in my pantry, and here we go. This is absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.